Switching between light and dark mode on your iPhone 16 helps reduce eye strain and customize your viewing experience based on your preferences or ambient lighting conditions. Here's how to change display modes on the new iOS smartphone. First, swipe up from the bottom to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Under the appearance section, you can choose between light mode and dark mode. All you have to do is tap to mark your display selection. You can also configure your iPhone to automatically switch between light and dark mode. To do this, simply toggle the automatic switch to turn the feature on or off, straight from the display and brightness menu. Enabling the automatic switching between light and dark modes can help reduce eye strain and provides optimal viewing comfort based on the time of day or your custom schedule. You can also choose your preferred schedule, like from sunset to sunrise, or create a custom schedule to set your preferred times. Note that light mode works best during daylight and dark mode reduces eye strain at night. Dark mode can help conserve battery life on your iPhone. Should you wish to override the default timing, then you can just set a custom schedule. The display and brightness settings can also be accessed through the control center. Just launch the panel and then long press on the brightness slider. On the succeeding screen, you will see the dark mode control that you can tap to turn the feature on or off. And that's how you switch between light and dark mode on your iPhone 16. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more smartphone videos like this one.